Alleged criminal acts that can be resolved amicably. 1. Definition. Not all alleged criminal acts must be resolved through the legal process up to the courts. Some minor criminal acts may be resolved amicably, especially those that do not have a major impact on the victim or the community, and if the victim forgives the perpetrator. 2. Legal basis. KUHP, Criminal Code. In several provisions, there is a complaint offense, namely a criminal act that can only be processed if there is a complaint from the victim. If the victim withdraws the complaint, the case can be stopped. Supreme Court Regulation, Perma, No. 2 of 2012, concerning adjustments to the limits of minor crimes and the amount of losses in the Criminal Code. Restorative Justice, Regulation of the Attorney General of the Republic of Indonesia, No. 15 of 2020, resolution of criminal cases by involving the perpetrator, victim, family, and related parties to jointly seek a fair solution. 3. Types of criminal acts that can be resolved amicably. Generally classified as minor crimes, tippering, such as minor assault, Article 352 of the Criminal Code, minor theft, Article 364 of the Criminal Code, minor fraud, unpleasant acts, Article 335 of the Criminal Code, complaint crimes such as minor insults, Article 310 of the Criminal Code, slander, Article 311 of the Criminal Code, adultery, Article 284 of the Criminal Code, neglect in the household, in the domestic violence law. 4. Requirements for resolving amicably, restorative justice. Referring to the prosecutor's office guidelines, criminal acts are subject to imprisonment of 5 years. Material losses, Arpa 500,000. There is a peace agreement between the perpetrator and the victim. Does not cause public unrest. The perpetrator has never been convicted, not a crime against women and children. 5. Case examples. Case 1. Minor theft, Article 364 of the Criminal Code. Someone stole his neighbor's chicken. The loss was less than Rp 2,500,000. The perpetrator pleaded guilty and the victim forgave him. The case can be resolved amicably and the perpetrator is not prosecuted. Case 2. Minor assault, Article 352 of the Criminal Code. 2 people fought and 1 suffered minor injuries. Both parties agreed to make peace before the police. With certain conditions, the police can stop the investigation. 6. Important notes. A family settlement does not mean that the perpetrator is not wrong, but rather seeks restorative justice, not retaliation. Law enforcement officers, police, prosecutors still have the authority to assess whether a case should be stopped for the sake of justice.